Hello, welcome to the Independent Seaport Museum. My name is Craig, and this is the third episode of creating an exhibit. I've done a lot, so let me give you a show. As you can see, all the walls have artworks. Some of the ones that I selected before and talked about didn't make it into the exhibit. I had to change my mind for one reason or another. The center of the gallery is this very large model. It's even our oldest model. It dates to the 1800s, and it's of a coastal schooner that was built in southern Jersey. There's Philadelphia's City Hall in the distance, and if you follow Broad Street all the way south in the 1920s, this is what it would have looked like. This is Deirdre Murphy's print called Mapping Movements, and it shows the Schuylkill River, and all of those different color lines are the movements of birds. And as the river goes down to the bottom, we reach the Navy Yard. This is a brass fog horn that would have been hand pumped during dangerous times on the water when the fog didn't allow you to see where you were going, so you had to let everybody know where you were by sound. This drawing is by Emlyn Edding, who shows us sailors at the Philadelphia Stage Door Canteen during World War II. Here we have the all-time favorite, Lizzie of Philadelphia, made by Mr. Benton. It's all of sterling silver. It may look like everything is done, but here's a punch list of all the things that still need to happen. They're little things, but the important things nonetheless. I hope you've enjoyed today's presentation. Please remember to support the museum in whatever way you can.